Google had the right to delete Adamu Gaba's app on Play Store. It doesn't make any sense. Google, do you know who that guy is? Do you know who he is in Nigeria? Someone that can pursue Twitter, you deleted his app because of bad review. And now I had that Instagram already blocked his account. They deleted his account on Instagram.
What audacity?
What rubbish! You deleted Adamu Gaba's Instagram account? Now let me tell you something. Instagram, I know you own Facebook. If they bond you well, and you know that you want to show yourself, if they bond you well, delete his Facebook. Gaba, Adamu Gaba too. If they bond you well, delete it. I double dare you. Delete it. Is there's space, okay? Adamu space Gaba, and the two is 1 2. If they bond you well, delete it. I give you 48 hours. Oh, you're calling it delete,